Hi friends, my name is Nandini. Welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make two different types of bookmarks. The first one is a whale and the second is a rabbit. For the whale, you will need a dark blue paper, a light blue paper, glue, googly eyes, sketch pens for decoration and a light blue color quilling strip. For the bunny, you will need a light pink color paper and a very light yellow colored paper. We'll make the whale first, so let's put these two papers to the side. First, for the whale, you have to turn your dark blue paper so it looks like a diamond. Then fold it in half like this. Unfold it. Fold this edge to the center line. Do the same with the other one. Now fold this corner slightly like this. Then turn it and then fold it in half. Then fold this corner up like this. This is the tail of the whale. It should look like this. Using a black sketch pen, make a semicircle on the top of the whale to show the hole from where it sprays the water. Now using some glue, stick this part down. In this part too. Now take the quilling strip and using a scissor cut a piece of it like this. Cut 4 to 5 pieces. To make this look like water, we have to slightly swirl this paper like spiral. Do the same with the others. And then use some glue to stick these to the back of the whale like this. They should all come out from the hole. Stick all of them. To make your whale come to life, take a googly eye and stick it on. Now, take a red sketch pen and draw on a smile. Then cut the light blue piece of paper into a long rectangle. Fold this piece in half. Then using some glue, stick it down. And stick it down. Cut the excess. And then put a glue here, spread it, stick on the whale now. Now using a dark blue sketch pen, draw on some waves. You can also write messages like love to read or keep reading. Now we will take the light pink and very light yellow paper to make the bunny. We'll keep this paper to the side and turn this paper so it looks like a diamond. Then fold it in half. Unfold it and fold this edge to the center line. Do the same with the other side. Then fold this to the center like this. Turn it around and fold this point till here. Then fold it like this and turn it back around and fold this upwards. Then fold it in half. And then open this flap to form the rabbit's ears. And to make your rabbit come alive, you will stick a googly eye. Then take a brown sketch pen and draw a curved line over the rabbit's nose and color it. Then draw some whiskers. If you want, you can draw a small smile. Use some glue and stick this part. And stick it. Then we will bring back our very light yellow paper and cut out a rectangle piece out of it. Fold this piece in half and then glue it down. Then stick it down. Put some glue, spread it, stick the bunny on. Then, using a green sketch pen, draw on some grass. You can also write a message like we did on the whale. Your bunny is ready. Your 2 bookmarks are ready and they both cute. Hope you enjoyed my video. For more videos, subscribe to AvulKids. Bye.
Friends, please like and share our videos and subscribe to AvulKids. You can share our videos with us on avulkids.com.